Donald Trump asks Supreme Court to delay TikTok ban. What's going on? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Big news in the TikTok saga. Donald Trump, the US president-elect, has asked the Supreme Court to delay an upcoming TikTok ban. So, what's the story behind this and why does it matter? Let's break it down. So, here's the deal. TikTok, the hugely popular social media app owned by the Chinese company ByteDance, is facing a serious legal battle in the US. The US government has accused TikTok of being too closely tied to the Chinese government, which TikTok denies. These concerns over national security have led to a law requiring TikTok's Chinese parent company to either sell the app to a US company or face a potential ban by January 19th. Now, President-elect Donald Trump is getting involved. His lawyer filed a legal brief with the US Supreme Court, asking the court to delay the ban while Trump tries to work out a political resolution. In simple terms, Trump wants more time to address the issue through political means once he takes office, instead of going through the courts. This all leads to January 10th, when the Supreme Court is set to hear arguments. By that date, the court will decide whether the law requiring ByteDance to sell TikTok or face a ban will hold up. The deadline to act is January 19th, just one day before Trump is officially inaugurated. Back in April, Congress passed a law accusing ByteDance of having links to the Chinese government, something ByteDance denies. The law requires TikTok to either sell or face a ban by the deadline, and President Biden signed it into law. Since then, TikTok and ByteDance have tried to block it in court, arguing that the law threatens free speech. Here's where it gets interesting. While Trump's legal filing says he doesn't take a position on whether TikTok should be banned or not, he argues that delaying the January 19th deadline would give him a chance to find a political solution. Trump met with TikTok's CEO, Shouzi Chu, at his Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida just last week, and now he's pushing for more time to resolve the issue politically. The Supreme Court hasn't acted on emergency requests in the past, but they've agreed to hear TikTok, ByteDance, and the US government make their cases on January 10th. Trump's legal team is arguing that this case is unprecedented, balancing national security concerns with free speech rights. A delay would give Trump the time he needs to explore a solution without the courts getting involved. It's not just Trump pushing for a delay. Dozens of state attorneys general, led by Montana's Austin Knudsen, are urging the Supreme Court to uphold the law and force ByteDance to sell or face a ban. They argue that the security concerns are real and the ban should go ahead as planned. In an interesting twist, Trump has publicly stated that he opposes the ban. Despite supporting similar measures during his first term, Trump has said that he has a warm spot for TikTok because it helped him win the youth vote in 2020. Though, let's be honest, most young voters actually backed his opponent, Kamala Harris. Still, Trump claims TikTok had a role in his success, which is part of the reason he's now opposing the ban. So, there you have it. The fate of TikTok in the US could be in the hands of the Supreme Court, and Trump is asking for more time to sort it out. Whether TikTok ends up being banned or sold off to a US company, this situation is far from over. We'll be keeping an eye on it, but for now, that's the latest. What do you think? Should TikTok be banned or is it an overreaction? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on this story. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.